French toast, also called not so French toast or American French toast. It's basically a toast soaked in a sea of eggs and sugar. Hey folks, so today I'm gonna show you how to make French toast. Gonna start with a crazy version, but for the calorie conscious folks out there, I will show a healthier and more boring alternative at the end. So the first thing we gotta talk about is, as the name suggests, is bread. Getting unsliced loaf is probably the best to cut it as big as you want. The bigger the better, or so they say. So for the choice of bread, any bread will work. I'm using brioche, but later you'll see me using the most boring whole grain toast I found in the supermarket. For the custard, I will use 1 cup or 240 milliliters of heavy creamed. Anything will work, from milk to oat milk, or if you want to go half crazy, you can use half cream, half whole milk, but YOLO. 2 whole eggs. If you want to go even more crazy, you can use 2 or 3 egg yolks instead of the whole eggs, because who likes egg whites anyway? Half a cup or 120 grams of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, pinch of salt to balance that overdose of sweetness. Optionally, you can add a bit of nutmeg if you like the taste. Give them a good whisk until everything is well blended. Over medium heat, sizzle a bit of butter while soaking your stale or not stale toast so it can soak as much custard. Then toss it in the pan. Leave it for about 2 to 4 minutes on each side until it's golden, buffy, caramelized goodness, and you can't wait to take it out of the pan. I'll give it a few turns for good measures. Transfer it to a plate, clean the plate for preparation for an Instagrammable shot. Put a piece of butter on top for an extra creaminess and yumminess. Add some berries or banana on top for added freshness. I chose blue and raspberries. Finally, adding some nuts for a bit of crunchiness. And there we have it, as Instagram ready as ever. Let's dig in cautiously though. Pretty damn good, but I think I won't eat all of that. Okay. If you prefer not to do cardio for hours after eating that recipe and would like something as simple but requires no cardio, then you can replace the whole eggs with egg whites, cream with skimmed milk, sugar with sweetener. It tastes just as close enough as good, but won't send your heart to early retirement. Instead of butter, we can use low-calorie oil spray. This one is just 1 calorie each spray, so you can use as much as you want. So I'm using the most basic whole grain toast I found in the supermarket. Again, you can do the same thing as the brioche and leave it overnight to stale, or put it in the oven for a few minutes, or even in the toaster. So here's the same process again. Leave it on medium heat for 4 minutes or until golden and crunchy. So after this step, you just put them in a plate, stack them together. Instead of topping it with butter, I topped it with honey, some blueberries, and strawberries. But you can top it with whatever you would like. So this is it, folks. Stay tuned for next week's episode, and do let me know if you like the recipe in the comment section below. Peace.